So, there we go mga kalindog. Ayan ang ating jewelry box.
Let's sing a song full of hope, full of pain. Why don't you sing along, my friend? For it's our last refrain. Forever young, never strong, ever brave. Memories like this never end. No, they don't fade.
Guys, this is me again, Rob Briner, ang inyong alindog. Lipstick lang ang katapat. Today vlog is we're going to unboxing my jewelry box. I buy a new jewelry box, guys. The color is green, you know, my favorite color, green. So ayan guys, look at this. So I bought in Amazon this jewelry box. So guys, ayan, I will show you. So let us open. Wait. Ayan mga kanindo. I'm excited. Ayan. So let's start. And look at there. Victoria is Neugirig. It's a Furious. Ayan mga kanindo. Sigayin na natin. Another box. Ayan guys. Mga kalindog, I miss you. Ayan. So, let me see. I will show you guys. I will show you. Ayan. So, ayan ha. Whoop. The color is, there we go, green. So guys, ayan ha. Let's open. Ooh. Ayan mga kalindog. This is very beautiful. Color, my favorite. Oh, you see, and very soft. Ayan. So there we go. Ooh. So, guys, ayan ha, close up natin sa inyo. So, I think this is also I don't know if they have the, a key. So, I will show you guys, ha. Pakita ko sa inyo. Ayan ha. So, this is it, pansit. Ayan. Ooh, look at this, guys. So, later, I will show you all, ayan. I think this is all for the ring. And here's for the watch also. And out. So we need to push it up. Ayan. Open it. Ayan guys. So, so there. Oh, there we go guys. Diba beautiful? And here if you will see here, they need to hang, what do you call that hang? Put here the all the necklace. Ayan. And here all the ring. And of course, ayan guys, yes, we have a key. Meron tayong key. O, diba? At tapos, here, this is it. Ayan, dito ang mga earring. Ayan guys. And of course, ayan guys, natatanggal din siya. I think so. Or not. Wait ha. I think it's not. Or, wait mga tatanggal ba to or what? I think it's not. Oh yes. Yan guys. Oh, another. There we go. Ayan. So, dito natin lalagay ang ating mga fur. Ayan then this. Ayan guys. So, ipakita ko sa inyo, very, i-focus natin how to open and how to use this, no? So, so there we go guys. This is the jewelry box. Ayan, the color is green. So, ayan guys, diba? So, tulad ng pinakita ko before, I show you before how to open it. Ayan, let's pull. Ay, ayan, nasira na agad siya. There we go guys, ayan. So I get it all my a little bit my things, so I will show you how to use it. So ayan guys, for example, ayan no. For example, this is my necklace. Ayan guys. My beautiful heart necklace. Ayan guys. Beautiful siya, right? Oh? So they can hang like this. Ayan mga kalindog. So like that guys. Ayan mga kalindog. Only like that. O diba? So yan. So nakikita na agad natin. And of course, ayan ang ating mga ring. For example. Ayan. Nakaganyan siya. We need to insert only here. So ayan mga kalindog. So ganyan. Diba? So ayan. And ayan. Bracelet. You can put in here. Like this, the pearls bracelet also here. Yan. At of course, ayan, ang ating perlas. For example here, guys, ayan. So we can use like that. Show you, huh? O diba? Very, ang ganda niya, mga kalindog. So there we go. You can put in here all. Ayan mga kalindog. So there we go. Lucky. Spilenix. So for example, and by Fair. Ayan. So you can see it. So. Ayan mga kalindog. Ganyan lang siya. Ayan, pwede rin natin dito ilagay ang bracelet, for example. Ayan. So, ganyan. So, ayan mga kalindog. For example, ipuno natin siya. Let's put this my little bit ring. So, ayan. Ayan, another na earring. So, beautiful. Ayan mga kalindog, ganyan lang. Diba? So, para hindi na natin siya, hindi na hinahanap ang ating mga jewelry. For example, na nakalagay lang dito. For example, I put all here in my, what is that? The, porcelain plates. Ayan. Ano pa to, guys? This is antique from my mom. Ayan. O, diba? So, now, better na nakaganyan siya. So, we arrange all. Ayan, so we can see now all. For example, what I wanna use it. Diba? So, ayan mga kalindog. This is it. Ayan, pakita ko sa inyo, ha? Let's put all. So, para makita nyo rin, you will see the result. Ayan. So beautiful siya, guys. Very convenient ngayon siya. Pag, for example, you wanna use something, diba? You can find very quick. You don't have to, because sometimes I forget or I forgot where did I put all my earring, my necklace. So, ayan now, meron na tayo ngayon. Ayan, mga kalindog. Ganyan. Diba? Ganyan. So, there we go. Ayan, pakita ko sa inyo mga kalindog, ha? So, ayan mga kalindog. Ayan. Ating jewelry, for example, ayan. So, I put all my things. O, diba? Nagkiking tabang mga jewelries. Diba ganyan siya? How to put it all. Yung mga kalindog. Example. Yan. So, there we go mga kalindog. Ayan, ang ating jewelry box. O, diba? Beautiful siya. So, guys, thank you for watching. I hope did you enjoy my video. So, see you again. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to smile. Bye, everyone.